Hello friends, welcome to Tebo's World Recipes. Today, we're going to prepare some comfort food. We're going to prepare a homemade macaroni and cheese. Macaroni and cheese is born in the 14th century in Italy, where pasta and cheese dishes were very common. In the 15th century, macaroni is born as we know it, as a hollow piece of pasta with the purpose of getting more sauce to get a better bite. This dish starts traveling towards France, England, etc. And the version that we know became popular thanks to Thomas Jefferson. Towards the end of the 18th century, on one of his trips to France, he has a dish of macaroni and cheese, and he loved it so much that he brought the recipes back to America. And in 1802, on a state dinner, he served mac and cheese at the White House. From there, Thomas Jefferson's cousin Mary Randolph publishes a cooking book called The Virginian Wife, and the recipe for mac and cheese is in there, and from there just went all over the place. Very simple dish, common ingredients. We're gonna use some sharp cheddars today, but you can use any cheese that you like. Very easy to do, it's delicious, and I'm gonna show you how to do it, so let's get cooking. The ingredients we're gonna need is 1 pound of macaroni pasta, 2 cups of extra sharp cheddar cheese, 2 cups of white cheddar cheese, and 2 cups of charred cheddar cheese, 6 tablespoons of butter, 1/3 cup of flour, 3.5 cups of milk, 3 ounces of cream cheese, 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs, 1/2 cup of shredded parmesan cheese, and salt and pepper to taste. To start, we're going to start shaving our cheeses. I have some white cheddar cheese, and I'm going to shave 2 cups. Then I'm going to do the same with my sharp white cheddar cheese, and my sharp cheddar. You can use the cheeses that you like. Swiss goes well too. Then with all our cheeses ready, I'm going to mix them, and I'm going to reserve 1.5 cups. Now it's time to butter our mold. Now to start cooking, in a pan, we're going to place our butter at medium heat, and we're going to melt it. Once it's all melted, I'm going to reduce the heat to low, and we're going to add our flour to start our roux. This takes patience. We're just going to keep on mixing until the flour cooks. It's probably going to take about 5 to 7 minutes. And once our flour is cooked, it's time to add our milk, and keep stirring as you add it. Now, we need more patience as we need to keep whisking until it starts thickening. After 8 to 10 minutes, and it has thickened, it's time to add our cream cheese. This is just going to add another layer of flavor. And once our cream cheese has melted, it's time to add all our cheeses. Now we're just going to whisk until all the cheese melts, and this is going to be our cheese sauce. Now our cheese sauce is ready. It's time to season. I'm going to add a tablespoon of salt and a tablespoon of pepper. Some people add a couple of dashes of hot sauce. I'm just going to keep it simple. Once it's ready, we turn off the heat. Now I have my pot with boiling water. And remember, every time that you cook pasta, the water needs to be salty as the sea. We're going to cook our macaronis a couple of minutes less than what the instructions say, as we want them very al dente. And after a few minutes, we're going to drain our pasta and we're going to add it to the cheese sauce. This is smelling incredible. Now we're going to mix and cover all the macaronis with this beautiful cheese sauce. Now it's time to add the macaroni to our mold. We're going to do it in 2 layers. Once we level our first layer, what we're going to do is we're going to add the cheese that we reserved. And this is just going to give it a middle layer of more cheesiness. Now we're going to add the rest of our macaroni. And after leveling, to give it a nice crunch, we're going to mix our panko breadcrumbs and our shaved parmesan cheese. We're going to mix them together, and then we're going to add an even layer at the top. This is a cheesy dream. Now we're going to go to a preheated oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes, and after the 20 minutes, the last 5 minutes under the broiler. As our mac and cheese is in the oven, it's a great time for you to click on subscribe to our channel. If you don't want to miss any new videos, click on the bell to get notifications. Leave us your comments and request any recipe you would like to see. And don't forget to give us a like at the end of this video. Also visit our store on Amazon, where you're going to be finding cooking books, pots, pans, specialty ingredients, etc. Or through our YouTube channel, our Tebo's World Recipe Store, where you can find stickers, hoodies, t-shirts, coffee mugs, etc. supporting our channel. We appreciate all your help and support. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And now, let's get back to the kitchen. After 20 minutes and then 5 under the broiler, it's time to turn off our oven. And look at that. Nice and crispy. And it smells amazing. Now it's time to plate. I'm going to cut a portion, and with my tray, it's good for 4 to 6 people. Oh, look at that. My mouth is watering right now. mac and cheese is ready. It looks and smells fantastic. Let's try it. Wow. If you like sharp cheeses, this is your dish. And the breadcrumbs with the Parmesan cheese give it that crunchiness. It's delicious, it's comfort food, and very easy to prepare. Hope you give this recipe a try, and we'll see you next time.